Today we are going to make an amazing thumbnail for our YouTube video on phone. I will show you 2 free apps I use, and then step by step we will create a beautiful thumbnail that forces viewers to stop scrolling and click on. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ola and I'm helping you to build your online business and grow online. Thumbnail is one of the 2 most important elements your video has to have. The second one is the title, of course. If you made an amazing video but your thumbnail not attracting viewers to click on it, then nobody will see your content. Average CTR, which stands for click-through rate on YouTube, is between 2 and 5%. If you make sure to have a high CTR along with a good title, you are going to have a lot of views. And as long as your content good and valuable, YouTube will promote your video. There are a few tips to make a responsive, clickable thumbnail, and I've made a video just about this topic. In the video, I show you how to make a thumbnail on your desktop and going in depth on the tips for a great, irresistible thumbnail. You can watch it here or click on the link in the description. Now, when you understand the importance of a good thumbnail, let me show you how to make one for free from your phone. For this, we are going to use 2 free apps. Phonto. This app has a free and paid version, and all you need you will find in the free plan. In this app, we are going to blur our background. The second one is Phonto or Canva. As much as I like Canva, I found it a little bit difficult to use on my phone. So I mostly use Phonto. Just for the purpose of this video, because we're going to make a thumbnail on my phone, I'm gonna take a quick selfie with my phone. Usually I do it with professional camera, but right now I just want to show you guys how fast I can do it. Now first we're going to Phonto 2, and let me show you guys. This is the application. Click on that, and I choose a photo. Click on recent, and I choose just one of the selfies I just made. This one looks pretty good. Now you can do retouch and face corrections and stuff, whatever, not limited for with the free plan. Because I have a paid plan, I don't remember exactly what they let you do, but there are some features they let you do. But the feature we are gonna use right now is actually free, and you can use it too. So it's called defocus. I click on defocus, and now I choose auto. I take the scale all the way to 100, then I click check. And now look at my background, it's all defocused, which is great for thumbnails. Now you can also do again defocus and click on light and do it all the way up too. It would help just a little bit. Now this picture looks okay to me, but if I want to retouch it, I can do little retouch. And let's do auto. Usually it helps. See, it's really nice. Now do the arrow and click on save. Now it's in your pictures. Go out of Facetune and go to Phonto. You can use Phonto or Canva, but I found that Canva is a little bit hard to use. Click on the camera icon and photo albums. Choose the picture that we made, and we don't need any other filters, so we just click done. Now you have to make sure that you don't write a text above my head, because the thumbnail is gonna be, the size of the thumbnail is gonna be a little bit different than my photo. It's about like a middle of the screen. So now we're gonna add some text. Just click on the screen and click on add text. And now let's write awesome. Let's center it and click done. Now go to style, go to stroke and take the alpha all the way up, and the width take about 10 or 11. Now go to style, make sure you're on the shadow and take the alpha all the way up. And the blur, you can play with it and look how it looks to you. I like it a little bit blurred, like 55 or 60. Now click done, and here's your text. Now let's add another text. Style, stroke, alpha all the way up, about 10 width. Go to style, do the alpha of the shade of the shadow, now the blur, and click done. Now you can play with the size. Just click on it and you see size, tilt, font, everything size. Let's reduce the size a little bit so you can see my face. And now if you know me and know my thumbnails, I like to add some background. Let's go to style again, go to background, choose color, I like my pink, and click done. And for the awesome, go to style, background, black, done. Now do the export, save image, and it is in your photos. Now you just upload it to your YouTube studio while you're uploading your video. I hope you liked the video. If so, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to see more valuable good info from me. I publish every week here and I will be glad to see you as part of my community. It will help this channel a lot and I will appreciate it a lot. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.